I'm Raphael. I'm a sculptor from Berlin. I've been working with sculpture since I was 16. And now I started with Tobia, School of Sculpture.
I've been working with stone for 14 years. This is a newest exciting place to be to do that.
We have 4,000 square meters of nature. When it rains, we have a huge tent where we can stay dry. Then we have all the equipment you can imagine. We have every tool for every sculpture you want to make. The location here is also special because we have this community of artists around us, where we take a lot of inspiration, like the glass blowing workshop.
I'm Wiles. I'm a first year at BCB, and I am in arts practice and society. The marble workshop is, first of all, awesome. It's not like any other medium, like clay. You can put more clay back or add. This is purely subtracting.
In essence, throughout the 14 weeks here, they have the opportunity to develop an idea for a sculpture and bring that sculpture to completion.
We can give you every possibility. You don't need any initial skills. You can be a complete beginner. We start with traditional tools like hammer and chisel. That's how Michelangelo started.
During that process, they get to learn all kinds of different techniques with hand, with power tools, depending on their projects. There's also the part that's really training the skills of understanding the language of form and also the skill of observation.
It honestly helped me with patience the most. It's hard to just be chipping away and not seeing a lot of progress, but at a point when you do see progress, you feel so much better about all the time and hours that have gone into hitting this thing. If you have the option or chance to take this class, I think you should. It's so helpful and amazing to be able to work with stone, which not a lot of people have the option to.